In this video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp background video calls on Samsung. So if you're using a Samsung phone and each time you make a video call using the WhatsApp application, you find out whether it's possible to change the video background or blur the background. So in this video, you'll learn two things together: how to change your video call background on WhatsApp and how to blur the background on your WhatsApp using Samsung phone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So when you want to change your WhatsApp video call background or blur the background, the first thing to do on your Samsung phone is go to your phone settings. On settings page, just scroll down and click on advanced features. Once you click on that, scroll down and click on video call effect here. Then make sure the video call effect is enabled. If this is not enabled on your Samsung phone, then you want to enable this. However, if you're using One UI 6.0, you may be prompted to turn this feature on. But on my Samsung Galaxy device running One UI 6.1, this feature is enabled by default. You should see the application that can use the video call effect here. Then once you find that out and you discover that the video call effect is enabled, then let's go ahead and make a video call on your WhatsApp application. So you can either put a call through to a WhatsApp user or receive a video call from another WhatsApp user. So just go ahead and make sure a video call is turned on. Then this is a video call. So this is what you're going to see. And now you want to change your background. This is your background, right? Then if you're using One UI 6.0 Samsung device, just to scroll down from the top just like this, click on video call effects. Then you should see this pop up. Then click on background. Then if you want to blur the background, click on blur. Then you should see your background blur. Then if you want to set an image as your background, the video call shows image. Then you'll be prompted to select the image you want to use here. So go ahead and select the image. Let's choose this cozy environment. Let's set this. Then drag this up a bit and click on done. Once you hit the done button, return to the video call on your WhatsApp, and that is how it's going to look. So this is what my WhatsApp video call background is going to be. So this is how you can easily change WhatsApp video call background on Samsung Galaxy devices. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.